Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add smooth transitions between your clips in CapCut. As you can see, I already have my footage and scenes set up in the timeline. Now tap on the transition icon. In the search bar, type slow fade and you'll see a few options appear. Select the second one, that's the one we're going with. You can adjust the transition duration at the bottom, drag it shorter or longer depending on the vibe you want. Once you're happy with it, hit Apply to. All this applies the same smooth transition to every clip in your timeline automatically. Now let's preview the result. And there you go, smooth, clean transitions throughout the whole video. Looks very professional. That's it, simple and quick. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more CapCut tips.